Want to harness the power of AI teamwork for your toughest projects? Welcome to PromptYES, your ultimate guide to cutting-edge AI prompting. Today, explore multi-agent prompt coordination, a revolutionary approach. Join me to take your PromptYES skills to the next level. At PromptYES, we're passionate about unlocking collaborative AI potential. Let's get started. What is multi-agent prompt coordination? Multi-agent prompt coordination uses multiple AI agents with distinct roles. Each agent collaborates on a task through specialized prompts. Think of it as a team where each member has a unique skill. This approach orchestrates complex workflows seamlessly. It's like directing a symphony of AI talents. You'll achieve sophisticated results effortlessly. Why use this technique? It's perfect for tasks requiring diverse expertise. This ensures comprehensive coverage of all aspects. It mimics human collaboration for better outcomes. You can tackle multi-faceted challenges with ease. It's essential for advanced, team-based applications. How to use multi-agent prompt coordination. Step 1. Define agent roles. Start with Agent 1, Planner, Agent 2, Designer, Agent 3, Reviewer. Step 2. Assign tasks. Include Planner, Outline project. Designer. Create layout. Reviewer. Check compliance. Step 3. Coordinate interaction. Add, agents share updates and refine outputs. Step 4. Compile results. Finish with, generate final report. Where to use multi-agent prompt coordination. With applied examples, this technique excels in collaborative, multi-skill tasks. Use it for construction to manage projects. Example: Agent 1, Plan schedule. Agent 2, Design structure. Agent 3, Assess costs. Output: Project plan. You'll get a cohesive build strategy. For instance, it can streamline a 10-story building project, cutting planning time by 15%. Apply it for research to analyze data. Example: Agent 1, Collect data. Agent 2, Analyze trends. Agent 3, Write report. Output: Study. The team delivers a polished analysis. Use it for marketing to launch campaigns. Example: Agent 1, Research audience. Agent 2, Design ads. Agent 3, Optimize budget. Output: Campaign plan. You'll get a targeted, cost-effective launch. Real-world examples in action. Advanced usage. Let's explore advanced applications. Example 1. Building a smart city. Start with Agent 1, Plan infrastructure. Agent 2, Design energy grid. Agent 3, Coordinate traffic. Chain with agents refine based on urban data and output city blueprint. In Addis Ababa, this optimizes power and traffic flow, reducing congestion by 20%. Example 2. Developing a software suite. Start with Agent 1, Define features. Agent 2, Code modules. Agent 3, Test integration. Chain with agents collaborate to deliver a functional prototype. This produces a scalable tool for 1,000 users, cutting development time by 25%. Benefits of multi-agent prompt coordination: it leverages diverse AI expertise effectively. This ensures all task angles are covered. It speeds up complex project completion. You'll enhance collaboration across roles. It's ideal for scalable, team-driven solutions. Tips for advanced usage: clearly define each agent's role. Use specific instructions for task handoffs. Encourage agents to share intermediate results. Example: Agent 2 builds on Agent 1's output. Common mistakes to avoid: don't overlap agent responsibilities. Avoid vague communication between agents. Don't neglect coordination instructions. Ensure all agents have clear objectives. Conclusion: multi-agent prompt coordination is your key to collaborative AI success. PromptYES is here to guide your AI journey. It's powerful and perfect for complex challenges. Subscribe for more techniques. Hit like if you enjoyed this. Share your team project idea below.